Shannon from SP88. Today I'm making this video to write a little policy, basically. Now, fitting custom accessories is something that many people don't do, and I've been doing it for people. But lately it's kind of happening where people are ordering a lot of stuff and sometimes they're not right. And like, for example, I've given someone a great deal on a lot of accessories for a day's worth of work, a day's worth of labour. I've given him a price, I think I said to him 250. Someone that I know, yeah, he's got a scrap yard. It's like a connection to make. Well, he's got a customer, he's taking 350, he's giving me 250 for me to put in a radio or reversing camera. I fit this gear stick, this new fancy gear stick, and now the wiring for the radio is wrong, yeah. And now, because radios installed today has the wrong wires, so that's going to cause a massive issue because I've got a few hours aside for this job, okay, a predetermined price, and because this job can't be done, it's going to cause a problem where this person is going to want to pay the full bill. Because this full bill isn't going to be paid, I'm going to be the loser in the end, and I'm not really happy about that. So this video is about addressing this, and hopefully you guys will join the comments so we can come up with a fair solution so that we don't have this issue again. Yeah, this radios come with these wires for like an older BMW or a different type of radio than this one. This radio only has these two connections at the back. Most radios would have this kind of connection at the back, but on this vehicle, the radio is located somewhere else. Okay, it could be at the bottom of the glove box, it could be at the back of the car. On different vehicles, it's different. Okay, this isn't long enough to do the job. Yeah, because it's expected to be right here. So I would either have to find that box and extend the wires through the car to get here, or get you to order the right stuff. I would rather you order the right stuff, but I still need to be paid for this job. Yeah, so it sounds like a big cry now, but I've got to pack this job up, and how much would be a fair amount for me to be compensated for this appointment? It's got to be at least a call-out fee, and that's £100. But you're getting £100 for nothing, and you're not going to be happy. So how do we make this a fair deal? I've got to put this radio back in now. Factory radio back in, so it's time taken. I mean, the reason why I'm making this video as well is because I had a customer the other day where I went to fit a reversing camera for an Audi A4, and the camera that she got was wrong. And to strip down the back of this Audi A4 Cabriolet, it took a little bit of time, and then to find out it was wrong, you know. So then I had to reassemble the back of this Audi A4 Cabriolet, which obviously took me like what would normally be a full hour's worth of work. I would charge you £100 to do that regardless, but then she only wanted to pay £30 because there was nothing done. That is not going to work. That's not going to work at all. So this is what this video is about. I believe that the loss unfortunately needs to be with you, the customer, rather than me, the technician. I mean, if I was supplying a part and it was wrong, and you came to my garage and I couldn't do the job, I wouldn't expect you to pay. But if I've come to your house and you've supplied a part and it can't be fitted, you've got to pay. You've got to pay. That's what this video is about. If you think that there's a problem with that, then we shouldn't book an appointment together. Yeah, so this is the new SP88 policy on fitting customers' supplied parts. Yeah. And now we also know how to remove and refit a radio on a BMW BMW with this type of radio, because I haven't seen anyone with this radio.